Yo, what's up? Happy New Year sa lahat. So, unang video na i-react natin this year ay itong Marilag sa Cozy Cove by Dionela. So, recently nababasa ko sa Facebook, maraming nababash dahil sa pagka-lyricist, kung anong klaseng lyricist si Dionela. Kasi, iba, very deep na parang, kung sa art pa, abstract na abstract yung dating ng mga lyrics niya, no? Sa ibang part. Since sa sining at iba pa niya mga kanta. But anyway, this is going to be my first time na marinig yung Marilag full version. Okay? Ang naririnig ko lang kasi sa radio or sa mga music sa gym is yung intro lang or yung chorus lang, no? Hindi ko pa talaga siya like na pakinggan ng full video. So, ang gagawin natin is i-react ko lang siya as an audience na mahilig sa music. Ganung POV lang tayo for today. Okay? So, I'm excited kasi alam naman natin, hindi lang si Dionela yung magaling dito, kundi yung banda niya talaga. Individually, itong banda niya, man, grabe. Solid to. Solid tong banda ni Dionela. So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And if bago kayo dito, mag-subscribe kayo. Follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay, let's go.
Everyone dance, come on. Hey, 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 hey.
So ito yung intro, yung parang ano niya, rap part niya, na mumble rap kumbaga, ng konti, no? Na maraming nagkaka-issue dito. But we'll see, we'll see.
Shot running in my non-stop vertical. Curl plot, whiskey in that teapot, ethanol. Burning like hell, 90 bright, heavenly body. Only music can define you when it sounds like.
Woo! I love the transition. Yung parang napakaangas tapos biglang parang ano siya, pang-romansa. Very catchy yung ano, yung cheese, no? Tapos yung adlib niya parang may pagkaniyo yung dating, 'di ba? Woo!
Pretty, pretty lady, big bang doesn't make sense. I see God. Marilag, ang himalay sa'yo'y bibintang. Haven't felt so different till I look into your eyes, see my future. Baby, love in you.
Okay, nag-goosebumps ako kasi ang ganda ng melody, no? Yung arrangement, yung music, yung atake nila sa music, man. Parang giving that ano talaga international vibe. Yung sabi ko nga kanina, para siyang may pagka-Neo, no? Well, idol niya naman si Neo, so that's given already. Pero to me, as a music lover, lyrics aside, okay, tanggalin natin yung pagka-abstract ng lyrics niya or komplikado kumbaga, no? Kasi may mga hyperbole or kung ano naman yan. It's actually good, no? Kaya naiintindihan ko, no, kung bakit kahit maraming bashers, mas marami pa rin yung nagkakagusto sa kantang to.
Sa teatrong buhay limitado, bawat kisap ng matay kawalan. Baby, I sing now. Come on everyone.
I love that run. La ganon. Bro, that was beautiful. Okay, low-key, magaling din siya mag-rap. He's also very versatile, no? Hindi lang as a singer, but also as an artist talaga. He's very versatile. Let's go! Galing nung solo ng Kiss. Woo! Bro, low-key, ang galing ng arrangement, man. Yung mga bagsakan, yung mga notes na pinipili nila, man, it's good. And alam mo yung bagong musika dito sa Pilipinas, it's very modern na na-adapt na natin yung mga parang gospel yung datingan ng R&B, yung mga pop music na, you know, it's very influenced by American music na akala ko dati hindi yan darating dito. Or maybe before meron mga ganun, but not that, common. Pero ngayon yung mga artists ngayon, yung mga bagong, henerasyon ng mga musikero, no? Especially yung mga kabataan ngayon, talagang na-adapt nila yung ganong klaseng, musicality, which is, I think it's very good for the Philippine music, no, na mag-evolve tayo, no? Feel ko may breakdown dito.
Okay, have you ever wondered what God looks like? Only to realize that you see it every time you look at your favorite person. Now, if this is your thing, I want everyone to sing this as loud as they can. Game, 3 times energy. Come on. 1, 2. Manila. Hook up your head.
Galing talaga ni Dionela.
So divine, say love, say look in your eyes. Baby loving you save me. Louder, what? Baby loving you save me.
Save.
Baby loving you save me.
Woo! Okay. Wala akong masabi. Sobrang galing ni Dionela. So that's why I don't fully grasp or understand the hate. I know na hindi kasi lahat same level ng comprehension pagdating sa, lyrics, no? Meron talagang mga it's writing a song, it's a form of art. It's a form of expression. It's something that you think, you feel, you understand that you really wanted to put into words. May it be a vision, a story, an experience, learning, yung mga ganon, no, na gusto mo lang talagang isulat in your own way. So that's why I don't understand the hate na nakukuha ni Dionela. I know may mga video siya, me personally, okay, may mga video siya sa TikTok na I find it cringe. Kasi the way siya mag-express ang kanyang sarili. Yeah. I'm being honest, okay? Meron, but as an artist, as a performer, bro, he is so good. He is so good. And shoutout sa banda. Super tight yung playing nila. Lahat sila, man. Individually, skilled, and as a band, andun yung chemistry together with Dionela. So, I think that's it. And I hope you understand the point, no? And I hope hindi kayo isa sa mga hater ni Dionela. If you really love music, love artists, love singers, no, you would understand and appreciate. Okay? Peace!